Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name's Chase Book, and I'm from America. I came a long way to HWT Clinic, and I would like to say it has been an amazing experience. In my last experience, they only covered the front part of my head. As you can see, they did the front part of my head and my crown for $2,500 American USD. What you'd be paying in America for that is about $10,000. So it's amazing the value you get here, the level of care, and most important than that is how you feel afterwards. I can't tell you how amazing I feel. I had the surgery yesterday. I'm going home today, and I feel completely comfortable. I'm not taking the painkiller medication. I'm taking the antibiotics and the anti-inflammatory, but there's no need for a painkiller. And I would recommend it to anybody who's considering either hair transplant or having any sort of surgery here in Turkey. It was unbelievable. Part of my hair transplant, I got a dental care checkup, and they brought me right upstairs. They checked my teeth. I'm blown away. This has been the best experience that literally I've had in my life when it comes down to self-care. Thank you so very much, and I hope if you're thinking about coming to HWT Clinic, you'll do it, because trust me, you won't regret it.